Yo, what is going on, guys? So today in this video I'm gonna be unboxing my first ever mechanical keyboards. It's a 60% keyboards, which is called rk61. RK means real clutch. It's from a Chinese company, but it does a pretty good job because I watch a lot of video about it. So the box is not in a good condition, as you can see right here. This part says model, you get the rk61. Switch, you get the red. I got the red switch. You get blue or purple switches, I don't know. And you could get the variant white, and I got the backlight RGB. So the box is in a not pretty good condition. So let's open it up. Okay, this is the keyboard. It looks so good. Go. Last, right here. Okay, you're gonna put the keyboard aside. You look in the box first. So here's a mechanical keyboard user manual. Yeah, it's nothing much. You could this is the background. The color mode, you could switch any color if you want. And this is of course a wireless keyboards. So right here, get the keyboards. I don't know why keyboards like this, but you get it. The keycap's blue. Yeah, of course, it's black. Same as the keyboards. So that's all for the keyboards. For a box. Let's put it aside. Get in! Oh my god. Okay. Okay. There you go. Let's go for the keyboards. I must get it in frame. It's kind of heavy, I can't lie. But sorry, I don't want to waste it. Throw it away because, of course, it looks so good. So my glass looks so dusty. I hate my life. So let's go for the typing. For the light version, you could switch. Doesn't have any stand, but I don't have these 4 rubber feet. Could turn on it right here. It's of course the Type-C cable, and there you go. The light variants you get. Yeah, the light variants you could get. So if you want to switch the color, you could just press the FN and this key, and it's gonna switch. Just let me show you how you do it. Yeah, it lights up like this. You go to do this, and it goes through all the colors. Red, orange, I don't know what color is this. Green, light blue, dark blue, pink, or purple, I don't know, white, and yeah, that's all. The typing test, I'm gonna do some sound test, typing test, or whatever it calls. So this keyboard doesn't have any scroll locks. As you can see right there, all the scroll locks button. Yeah, if you want to use that button, you gotta press the FN and then press this. Yeah, it's kind of messed up. So that's why you made the rk61, which have another extra buttons, and it doesn't make it 6% anymore. The shift sound doesn't like really make a noise, just like a bit quieter. So I'm just gonna open it up. Show you guys it. It's not double shot PBT, but just normal keycaps. Focus on, focus on, focus on. Yeah. The light shines through, but is that a dust right there? You can see it's the red switches. So yeah, that's all for the review. I hope you like it. I'll see you guys later, and I'm like gonna do some new mouse unboxing, new gaming mouse unboxing. It's gonna be a secret. I'll see you guys later.